My response to the brief was really a statement around social change and how sustainability fits into social change. So what we've got at the exhibition here today is two of the shop windows that we actually had displayed over the last 12 months. The campaign's ongoing, so there'll be another 12 months of windows to come. The shop is one of the three main arteries across the city, so we have a very high visibility window space there to be able to put out strong messages around sustainable design. I felt that, particularly in the last 12 months, as the economy was struggling, there was a lot of negativity around and a lot of sale stickers in windows everywhere, and we decided that we weren't going to buy into it, and we wanted to do something that would really push the other way and really show that whilst there was a lot of negativity going on around the economy, there was also a lot of really positive stuff happening around the move of eco into the mainstream. So we used the theme of food at the very start when we put the Food for Thought window up. It was fabulous to see people stopping at the traffic lights in their cars and seeing our little chickens in the window and laughing. They're just laughing and reacting in a positive way. I think that it's absolutely possible to create things in a way that is low impact. It would be naive to think that we're not going to consume, but I think that one can take an approach towards ethical consumerism and actually really look at the way that you produce something so that there is very little waste, so that there is very little chemical runoff into the system. There's two key areas of sustainability that we focus on, and that's environmental sustainability and human sustainability. The first step of the process really is for us to source the base fabric that we use, and that is sourced in India. It's fair trade, scale certified organic cotton. I start by drawing elements of the designs and then manipulating them and scanning those into the computer, then playing with them on the computer and building up a layer by layer design and working it then into a repeat pattern. The printing that we do is done using water-based pigment dyes that are then heat fixed. The runoff from that dyeing process goes through a threefold rinsing system that ensures that the toxicity of the water that goes into the sewage system is very, very, very low. And then the products that we make are made using 100% renewable energy. So we use 100% renewable energy to run the entire business. We made a conscious choice very early on to manufacture in Australia so that we had control over how our workers were treated. And so all the production happens here locally in Byron Bay. My sewers work from home, they can work in their own time, and they're paid fair wages. We have two very clearly defined groups of consumers buying our product. The first group are green consumers. They've been on board forever and a day, and they really believe in what we're doing in terms of promoting sustainable design. Generally, they are making conscious decisions about their purchases, but in many ways I'm more excited about the bigger group of people who aren't necessarily that bothered or interested about how something is made, and they will buy our products first and foremost because they're beautiful things. And you will only ever sell a product if it is a beautiful thing. We educate them through information on our swing tags, information on our website, and when they come and speak to my staff in the shops. And slowly but surely that information starts to filter through, and they will then start to think about making more conscious purchasing decisions in the future. There's a lot of commercial opportunities for sustainable designers now. I think just seeing the growth in opportunities that have come our way over the last 2 or 3 years, and I think that in 10 years' time those sort of decisions, purchasing decisions will be mandatory, so there will be no other way. So it's absolutely essential that people actually take it on board now. Yeah.